In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pterodactyl panel on Replit. Replit is a versatile online platform that lets you code collaboratively and execute various development tasks easily. Before we dive into the process, it's important to note that Replit provides a conducive environment for various programming activities by offering robust tools and resources. Now let's get started with the setup required to create your pterodactyl panel on Replit. First, you'll want to navigate to the Replit homepage. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and visiting the Replit website. If you don't have an account yet, I recommend signing up first to gain full access to all of Replit's features. Once you've logged into Replit, we're ready to proceed with the next steps. In the search bar of your Replit homepage, go ahead and type in Make Pterodactyl Panel. This will help you locate the relevant repositories or templates needed for setting up your panel. Replit's search function is a great tool that will assist you with finding various projects and code snippets shared by the community, saving you time and effort. Once you see the search results, you should notice an option to start a chat. Click on Start Chat. This feature is quite useful as it can connect you with other coders or possibly offer useful documentation and support from the Replit community. Engaging with others on this platform can provide you with valuable insights or tips on how to proceed efficiently. Now that your chat is active, you will need to configure your project. Click on the project link that appears to access the pterodactyl panel setup. Configuring your project typically involves making sure all the necessary settings and dependencies are in place. However, do not worry too much about this, as these steps are usually outlined within the project's documentation or through the helpful Replit prompts. Once you have configured your project, you will get the option to build the entire app. Click on this option to initiate the build process. Replit handles most of the heavy lifting during this step by ensuring that your code is compiled properly using its powerful cloud-based infrastructure. With everything set and your build complete, the final step is to click on Start Building. Embarking on this final phase gets your application up and running. At this stage, you might want to test and ensure everything functions as expected. If there are issues, do revisit previous steps or consult Replit's resources and community for help. And there you have it, a pterodactyl panel set up on Replit. This platform is handy, especially for projects like this, allowing you to collaborate, troubleshoot, and develop seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!